In the fast-paced world of automotive innovation, where trends come and go, there exists a timeless gem that continues to exude luxury and sophistication, the Toyota Century. As we step into 2024, Toyota has once again captured the essence of opulence with the release of the Toyota Century 2024 model. Renowned for its seamless blend of tradition and cutting-edge technology, the Century has carved a niche for itself as the epitome of Japanese luxury. So today we're diving into the future of luxury with a sneak peek at the iconic Toyota Century 2024. If you're a car enthusiast or just love a touch of sophistication on wheels, you're in for a treat. But before we rev up the excitement, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up if you're as pumped as we are. Now, let's get into the details of the stunning Toyota Century 2024, a legacy of luxury. The Toyota Century has a storied legacy that dates back to its debut in 1967. Originally created to serve as the official car for the Japanese imperial family, the Century has consistently embodied the pinnacle of Japanese craftsmanship. Over the years, it has become a symbol of prestige and exclusivity, catering to a discerning clientele who appreciate the finer things in life. Vehicle outline. The stately grandeur theme shows throughout in a dignified vehicle adorned with Japanese aesthetic elements. Majestic, dignified body design with both horizontal and vertical form features. Characteristic chauffeur-driven car proportions with a center of gravity at the rear, combined with an outline inspired by a loom shuttle motif, with Kikkoman *2 chamfering delineating generously sized, smooth-flowing door panels to give expression to the unique Century worldview. The exterior is immaculately finished down to the finest detail in the hands of master craftspeople, as illustrated by the exquisitely engraved Phoenix emblem and the mirror finish, a luxurious shine resulting from meticulous polishing of painted surfaces. 4 setback lamps for each of the headlights and taillights give the impression of a gaze full of dignity. Luxury interior. Moving on to the interior of the 2024 Toyota Century SUV, you'll notice that it is the most luxurious ever produced by the Japanese brand. It is equipped with high-end technology that complements its status as a luxury vehicle. Interior space designed with the concept of being human-centered to realize comfortable travel time. The Century 2024 is based on the TNGA platform, which distinguishes Toyota vehicles. The Japanese manufacturer opted to provide more spacious areas in the car. As a result, the SUV can comfortably accommodate 4 passengers instead of the usual 5 seats. The new Century provides a comfortable interior space with space and functionality that can be used in a variety of situations. Fully reclining rear seats with functions that allow rear seat passengers to truly relax, including a refreshment function. The luxury SUV features comfortable seats, which offer various adjustments including electric modifications, heating, and cooling. The finely honed auditory sensibilities and exemplary techniques of a musical instrument manufacturing master were incorporated into the development of the audio system. The result is a comfortable listening space that envelops passengers with the feeling of a live performance. Rear doors that open to a wide 75-degree angle and a sweeping cabin floor provide excellent ease of entry and exit. In addition, convenient automatic retractable power steps and easy-to-grab C-pillar grips also support natural and elegant entry and exit by rear seat passengers. The car's sides feature distinctive lines on the engine cover, and the door handles and side mirrors match the body color. The wheels have a unique and attractive design, accompanied by electric side steps that deploy when entering and exiting the vehicle. At the rear, Toyota offers the option of electrically sliding rear doors, similar to minivans. The cockpit is equipped with functions and features that support professional drivers and enhance ease of use. It is a space that also allows owners to focus on their driving when they are at the wheel themselves. A plug-in hybrid powertrain for power and opulence. A powertrain and driving control system, realizing a performance for chauffeur or plain driving that exceeds expectations. The newly developed 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid system achieves both a powerful and exhilarating drive while retaining the quiet driving suitable for a Century. The new plug-in hybrid system is designed to function as a BEV for everyday use and as an HEV for long-distance travel, making it the ideal powertrain for a chauffeur-driven vehicle. The motor and engine provide powerful and exhilarating acceleration performance, ensuring that the car can be driven not only as a chauffeur car, but also as a driver's car for personal driving pleasure. The four-wheel steering system, dynamic rear steering, provides easy handling at low speeds and seamless, natural handling at medium to high speeds. A rear comfort mode that supports the driver's control of the vehicle to ensure a comfortable ride for passengers in the rear is available for the first time. In addition, the rear comfort mode assists braking control to suppress jolts when the vehicle comes to a halt. Dimensions of the 2024 Toyota Century SUV. Length: 5,205 millimeters. Width: 1,930 millimeters. Height: 1,505 millimeters. Weight: approximately 2,570 kilograms. Wheelbase length: 3,090 millimeters. Newly developed luggage compartment separate structure. Body structure and suspension supporting driving performance befitting a chauffeur-driven car. The body's torsional rigidity and ride comfort have been greatly improved. Noise-reducing clear laminated glass is used on the cabin side of the cargo space separator to properly separate the cabin from the cargo area and achieve the privacy and astounding quietness associated with chauffeur-driven vehicles. Top anticipated features. Massaging rear seats are a superb touch and ideal for keeping occupants as comfortable as possible for long-distance drives. Heated and cool electric seats are expected in not leather, but wool trim. Leather seats can be noisy to sit on, and temperatures can vary too much. Lace curtains and seat covers are also a cool feature that exude luxury without reaching for the latest and greatest materials, which so many rival manufacturers do. No, Toyota understands that class doesn't always follow the latest trends. By a long way, the coolest feature to ever find its way into the Century is an adaptable front passenger seat. These optional seats featured a cutaway design, allowing for the upright portion to fold down, enabling the rear occupant to fully stretch their legs out. On top of that, the headrest would also swing down, allowing those in the back to have a clear view of the road ahead. Customization options. Recognizing the discerning tastes of its clientele, Toyota offers an array of customization options for the Century 2024. From personalized interior finishes to bespoke exterior colors, owners can tailor their vehicles to reflect their unique style. The attention to individual preferences extends to the tech features, allowing owners to select from various infotainment and connectivity options, ensuring that each Toyota Century 2024 is a true reflection of its owner's personality and lifestyle. Price and availability. The Toyota Century 2024, with its blend of heritage and modernity, does come with a premium price tag of $170,000 US. However, for those seeking the epitome of luxury and exclusivity, the investment is justified. The limited production numbers ensure that the Century retains its status as a rare and coveted automobile. As for availability, securing a Toyota Century has always been a unique experience. Prospective buyers often engage in a bespoke ordering process, collaborating with Toyota's team to create a vehicle that is tailored to their desires. This level of exclusivity adds to the allure of the Century, making it not just a car, but a statement of individuality and success. And that concludes our journey into the exquisite world of the Toyota Century 2024. What a ride! If you enjoyed exploring this luxury masterpiece with us, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Did the Century 2024 exceed your expectations? Would you consider making it your dream ride? As always, if you want to stay in the fast lane with the latest automotive updates, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join our growing community. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about the road ahead. See you in the next video.